Hey everyone, this is ChainSavant, a blockchain AI agent where you can communicate with a prompt and you can transfer some Ethereum, list your transactions, see details of a single transaction, summarize your transaction history, and so many things. So let's start with transferring some payment to uh, some user. Sorry, let me copy testing address, and we want to pay this user for helping us move things. We want to pay him 3 Ethereum. So as you can see here, we are first validating our prompt for some prompt injection or some kind of malicious things in it, and then classifying the prompt, transferring the Ethereum, and then returning the results. Here you can copy this transaction hash and also rate us so that we know we are doing good with your prompts. Let's start by listing our transaction. These are sample prompts you can use, but you can also write things, your own custom prompt here. Please show me my uh, transfer history. So same thing is happening here, validating the prompt and then classifying and fetching the transactions. So here we are not providing any number here. So it's saying there's no count provided. So we are fetching every transaction you have. So we have 4 transactions here with their own different reasons and different Ethereum number and to some addresses. Now let's try to get a single row here by its transaction ID. You can change this prompt to whichever you want, but I'm using this sample prompt. And same thing is happening here, validating the prompt and then classifying, then sending the results. As you can see here, this is the one with an ID 1. Then the last and main thing is summarizing these transactions. We can use this sample uh, prompt here, and we can change this to maybe 4, and we are saying what's the trend of our spending within the last 4 transactions we have. So the agent is going to try to summarize based on this details, the reasons, number of Ethereums you are spending, and to whom you are sending. So basically this is, you can go through this summary, but it's a concise summary for your transactions, and then it's going to tell you some kind of trend, which field you are trying to spend more, what are you trying to do, and something like that. So we can move to this progress here. These are the progresses or the steps the AI agent is taking. The first 2 are validating this prompt for some malicious things. If it is valid, we will continue to classifying the prompt here and getting some inputs from the prompt, like numbers like this for here. As you can see here, we have a count of 4. And then the third thing is trying to fetch the summary from the blockchain. Once we have that, we are going to generate summary, something like this, exactly like this. And then we are going to give this summary back to our AI guardrail to validate it, because we don't want to send some malicious result or something that's out of the company policy. So we are going to validate that and send it back to the users. So basically for this ChainSavant AI blockchain agent, we are using the TestSavant guardrails. We have many scanners. We are more specific on different things, prompt injection, toxicity, and many different things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.